Cluster 2, we have Sir Rodel Alombro and Sir Denmark Galao. And for Cluster 3, we have Junrey Ichavia and Benji Absay.
Yes, and of course, for our Cluster 4, we have Edfer Paundog and Miss Irina Magsalay.
And for Cluster 5, we have Ma'am Renalyn May Shanko and Sir Darwin Caspe.
And of course, to our Cluster 6, we have Sir Ayan Kaay and Ma'am Och Jimenez Santillan.
And for Cluster 7, we have Reggie Amhag, John Patrick Tiso, and Sir James Redes.
And of course, to our Cluster 8, we have Ma'am Paula Alexa Benarado, Mom Shade Antilov, and Sir John Carga Ilanan. And of course, Kuya Edward, thank you so much po to Sir John Carlo Tiso.
Yes,
Nakanunay nag-coordinate sa amuang tanan.
Yes. And of course, once again, ito pasalamat nato ng mga coordinators ng mga klase-klase ng mga clusters kay sila ang naningkamot o tipok sa ato ang mga